If you are a dog owner like me, I trust you. And also, if you drop their poop bags on the floor, instead of spending time rolling them or just throwing them away or just being pissed and dumping them in a pocket that you're never gonna use, roll it on the table flat and just give it a roll. Pull it out, give it a roll. Pull it out, give it a roll. Come on. Takes a while, but it doesn't take as long as rolling it, and it's still fairly tight. When I started filming this, I thought it was gonna be a lot faster. Now we're getting loose, just like we want it. Perfect. It's like a cinnamon roll for dog shit. All right, end is in sight, give it a tuck. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And there you have it.